Okay, so I will use for that black color, abyssal blue from scale 75, and dark sand from Boleco model color. So those paints are already on the wet palette, and I'm going to mix black color and abyssal blue. So I'm building the first highlights. I will just show how I paint legs, one leg and the belt. Rest I will paint off cam. Okay, and now I will use pure abyssal blue. And let's mix dark sand with abyssal blue. As you can see, I'm just painting with the lines. I like to paint armor in this way because it looks like it's a battered armor, worn, damaged, and I don't want to overuse blue color. It must be a black color, black armor I mean. So I'm just highlighting the parts very gently. Okay, and let's paint very tiny lines. I think this line is way too long. I just want to paint a very short and tiny lines, thin lines. In the last part of the leg, Alright, so I will paint rest of the cam and you'll see the final result.